saving what, well, it's almost afternoon, it's 10. But I am here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. So I only need 10 offers for $5. I'm also tracking for the sweetheart bonus as well. And for me, multiples are still counting, so I'm hoping I can get a couple multiples today to help tackle that sweetheart bonus. But if you're new here, yes, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, sports girl, and don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never, ever miss out on a video. So I finally got the message. Swagbucks, our sister apps, okay? A lot of you guys have been getting the duplicate receipt, or it basically just rejecting your receipt because you submitted it for ShopMium or whatever. I finally got that, you guys, and I was so disappointed, but at the same time, I'm hoping that we can still get some pretty good deals, minus being able to stack on the sister apps. But it's weird because some of our receipts went through and some of them didn't. Like one of them didn't, which was the one for the L'Oreal. And so it's kind of weird that, like I said, some did and some didn't. So it's almost like low-key, like I still want to do it just in case to see what happens, you know? And I figure if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't, you know? And at the same time, I know in the back of my head that there's a chance that it may not. And so, yeah, it was sad day. But yeah, I finally got bit by the bug. You're asking about Frisbee. It's a scan any receipt type of app. There is no referral code. But again, I like it because it seems like I hit the $5 pretty fast. I'm not there yet, though. I'm almost there. I think right now I'm at like $4.33. And the good thing about it, you guys, is you can actually scan your gas receipts as well. And again, if I find receipts in the baskets in the parking lot, I'll be always scanning them. So it allows you to hit it even faster. And again, I've already cashed out twice already, and this will be my third time. So I'm hoping after this haul, I might be able to cash out for my next video. When it comes to the IPs, I already let you guys know my 2 IP fairies. I'll pop them up right here. I'm no longer putting the IP periods in the comments because a lot of times their accounts get closed or whatever, and they have to start over and they have to keep switching or changing out the links or whatever. But they're both on IG, and the way it works is for starters, you always want to make sure that you're checking the expiration dates on the coupons that you're ordering. But you buy them. For me, one of them I pay him through Venmo, and the other one I pay her through Cash App, and then they email you the coupons and you print them at home. It's pretty easy. They're both freaking awesome. And so with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab this week. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Guys, so the first deal is on the avocados. I'm finally getting around to do this deal. It's not even funny. So they are 78 cents. The offer for this is on Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, and Tada. So you can buy one and get back 75 cents, or you can buy two, paying $1.56 and get back $1.50. So either way it goes, it still makes them 3 cents each, and so I'm gonna definitely be doing this deal today. Okay, so next up is the Best Foods. I'm not gonna be doing this deal because I do not need no meal. And so you want to grab 2 of them at $5.98. You'll end up paying $11.96, getting back 4 on Ibotta and 4 on ShopMium, making them only $1.98 each. All right, so this next deal is on the Funables. It's on the 10 count. They are priced at $3.13, getting back 660 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.64, making them only 49 cents. Of course, the next deal is on the Oikos. So these are priced at $1.18. You're gonna grab one of them. I'm getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making them 68 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 5 of them. So I've been looking for the Temptations. It's probably dead ass right in my face, and I don't see it. It says they have them. They're the little Temptation, like little wet foods. Their price is 74 cents. It's a buy one get one free offer on Ibotta, so you're gonna end up paying $1.48, getting back 74 cents, making them only 37 cents each. All right, so the next deal is on the Bounty. I was looking for the Bounty Essentials for the, I think it's 2 equals 4, but I guess they don't carry that one at this store. But this one here is the 1 mega roll. It's 1 equals 4 rolls. It's priced at $4.98, and you're getting back $3 on Ibotta. It makes it $1.98, and this roll is pretty freaking mega, ain't it? I don't necessarily think it's a bad deal because it's like 4 rows, right? If you were to buy like, let me see, if you were to get like the cheapy Walmart brand, which is priced at 72 cents for, and those are super tiny. Those would go super fast too, right? So that's more, and you're probably getting less. So yeah, not a bad deal. It's really not a bad deal. I feel like getting it, but I'm gonna pass. Of course, you can get this one right here, 2 equals 6, and that would be $3.97. So next up is the Airwick Advanced Warmer. I came looking for this a couple days ago, and they were out of stock. I'm happy that they restocked. They're priced at $3.98, getting back $4 on Shopmium. It did pop up on Ibotta, so I'm gonna go ahead and submit there as well.
It'll make it a 4-1 2-sit moneymaker. I'm thinking of getting some on different transactions. Let me see how many they have here. They have 4. I'm gonna get all 4 of these on separate transactions and submit probably to Swagbucks, my points in inbox, and they'll be free.
All right, so this next deal is on the Palmolive. It's on the 8.4 ounce, this really small bottle. Didn't those used to be like 10 ounces at one time? Now it's like 8.4, not even a full 8.5 ounces. The shrinkage is real, right? So they're priced at $1.30. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $2.60, getting back $2 on Swagbucks. It'll make them 30 cents each. All right, I have to do this over here, y'all. Look, I'm gonna be grabbing the U by Kotex again. It's $3.30. It's still double attaching for 2 offers for $1 each. It makes it $1.30, which I don't think is bad. And then I'm also gonna be grabbing the Poise as well. These are priced at let me see, hold on. I think they're $5.97. And you want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $11.94. You'll get back $4 on Ibotta, which is $2 for each one, and you'll get back $5 on Shopmium. And then last but not least, 475 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.90. It'll make them only 52 cents each. All right, so next up is the Old Spice deodorant. They are, look at all this red going on right here, y'all. They're priced at $1.54. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You end up paying $4.62, getting back $5 on Ibotta. Now it's also on Warmer Cash as well, so I'm going to go ahead and grab another transaction, making them all free plus a 38-cent moneymaker. So yeah, we're also going to be grabbing the Olay body wash again. It's priced at $2.12. So we're going to grab a total of 3 of them. The total is going to come to $6.36. We'll get back $5 on Ibotta, and then it'll make them $1.36 for all 3, or 45 cents each. I'm going to probably just go ahead and grab this along with the Old Spice on a separate transaction and go ahead and submit to Walmart Cash as well. And so yeah, it's turning out to be one of those, basket kind of days because it's so crowded over there. So this deal is on the Axe. It's on the regular ones. These are priced at $5.22. You're gonna grab 2. You'll pay $10.44. I'm getting back $4 on Ibotta for buying the both, and then $4 on Shopmium. It makes them $1.22 each, which is not necessarily bad. Now I'm also gonna grab this one. I wasn't gonna grab this one, but it's cheaper than this one. So if I'm gonna grab one, it's gonna be this one. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab this deal as well. This is the Axe, the fine fragrance ones. These are priced at $5.97, and so you want to grab 2. You'll pay $11.94, get back $3 for each on Ibotta, and then there's $4 on Swagbucks, making them only 97 cents each. I found it. 2 equals 4, priced at $3.64, getting back $3 on Ibotta, makes it 64 cents per pack. Actually, it's getting for $3.47, so we'll see. Either it's going to be 64 cents or it's going to be 47 cents. And so I'm going to do it for Ibotta as well as Walmart Cash, making them both really freaking cheap. Now, I also found the Palmolive as well, which I'm going to go ahead and just grab probably 2 of them. I might do 4 on 2 different transactions and see. And so yeah, super excited about that. 3 for 3. I'm at a second store and I found the paper towels, I found the Palmolive, and I found the Temptation. So what did I say it makes these? Like 26 cents or something like that each. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab this deal, even though technically I already hit my bonus. And so yeah, I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown. All right guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. This haul did cost me. I'm just gonna put it out there. It cost me about 7 cents per item, which is still not bad. And plus we got paper towels, which is something that we rarely ever get. And so everything here worked out pretty good. I didn't have any coupons. The retail for everything was $90.27. And then I had $5.29 in sales tax. So we walk away with $41.24 for my Ibotta. $20 for Walmart cash, which was the Olay, the Old Spice, the Bounty, and the Airwick, I believe. Yeah. Shop Medium was $9. My Points was $8.01. Shopkick was $4.50. Brand Club was $4.25. I had surveys for Airwick, Axe, Old Spice, Kotex, Poise, Bounty, and the Oikos. So I walk away with a total of $87.75 in rebates, which nets everything at $2.52, or only 7 cents per item, which is not terrible. Other than that, our emoji. Jojo, what's your emoji again? A bomb, like a cannonball. If you got to the end of the video, we'd love to see a cannonball in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.